Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Fanttik electric screwdriver. So this is cordless. It's really slick how they've put this together. I've got a bit in here right now. You turn this either to low or high. That's the off position. When it's in the middle position, if you press, nothing's going to happen. Low, forward and reverse. Let's go to high. Now the speed's the same, it's the torque. When you're in high, you get a lot of torque. When you're in low, you don't have as much torque. It'll kind of like stop. If you're in high, you get a lot more torque on a screw. Now it does have a little light. I really like that. These bits are very easy to take in and out. But the neatest thing about this is the case. So again, this is a metal case. You're going to slide it in. It kind of has that thing where you push it and it pops out, push it and it stays in. But the next neatest thing is you're going to slide this in. This is how you charge it. So you put this in, you charge it with USB-C. It's there so you can charge it. It's already stored. Everything's stored, but you can charge it. That's pretty cool. Then if you want to press it, get this out, everything, both these and this come out at the same time. It's got all kinds of different bits you can get. There's even a set of tweezers in here. All these, the bits are very easy to get in and out. You know, they're held in there with magnetism. Just seems like a very well constructed kit. And I like that you're able to charge it while it's all stored. So everything's in there, ready to go. It doesn't pop out. You have to press this and then they both pop out at the same time. Again, press the side, not here. Press here, they both pop out. Very, very neat. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.